Okay, we will solve this one. Factoring general quadratic trinomials when a is equal to 1. So, we will factor m squared plus 5m plus 6. So, ang gagawin muna natin dito, kunin muna natin yung values ng ating general form. Yung general form kasi natin dito is ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, so yung value ng ating a ay 1. Okay, then yung b is 5. Yun ang b. Then yung c is equal to positive 6. Okay, so we will solve this one or we will factor this one using AC method. Okay, yung a natin at saka si c. Okay, yung value ng ating a is 1. Tapos yung c is 6. So multiply natin yan. 1 times 6 is 6. Okay, ngayon hanap tayo ng mga factors of positive 6 na dapat yung sum nila ay 5. Okay, yung factors of positive 6. Tapos yung sum nila ay dapat sum of positive 5. Okay, yung 5 yung sum. Okay, so what are the factors of negative 6? So negative 2 multiply natin kay negative 3, that is equal to positive 6. Okay, di ba? Positive din yan kasi pag mag-multiply tayo ng the same sign, the result is positive. Then yung sum nila, negative 2 plus negative 3 is equal to negative 5 kasi we have to copy their common sign then add. So, hindi yan yung hinahanap natin. So, another factors. So, positive 2 multiply natin kay positive 3. So, that is equal to positive 6. So, yung sum naman ay positive 2. I-add natin kay positive 3. So, that is equal to positive 5. Okay, therefore, ito na yung hinahanap natin ng mga factors kasi yung product nila ay 6. Tapos, yung sum nila ay positive 5. Okay, therefore, yung factors natin dito, yung first factor natin at saka second factor. Since m yan, yung ginagamit natin, dito sa first factor, ay lagay natin yung m. Second factor ay isa pang m. Kasi m times m is m squared. Okay? Then yung factor natin is, asa na yun? Yan. First factor is positive 2. Okay? The second factor is positive 3. Pwede magkabaliktad yan. Okay? So this is your final answer. Bye-bye.